Have you ever wished your agency had a Slack-like tool that was completely integrated and white labeled for HighLevel? I'm going to show you in this video exactly how this new tool, TeamChat, works. You're going to want to wait to the end because I'm going to show you a couple bonus features on top of the channels that you see right here on my screen. Let's get right to it. First off, let me move my head here and I'll scroll down. You'll see that we have a TeamChat custom menu link. You can add this to any of your sub accounts and it's going to show up and work instantly. One of the great things about having a tool like this, it's going to eliminate app switching, saving time and reducing a lot of context switching fatigue for your team. You're going to notice by using this custom menu link, we white labeled this in, and we actually pull in your theme settings, your font and your colors and everything else, so it looks like part of your agency. This maintains a professional, consistent brand experience for all of your clients as well as your team. One thing you'll notice with these channels is we have notifications, the number of messages that are waiting for us to be read here. What that does is that allows asynchronous communication. This tool also is live chat, so the page does not have to refresh for the chat and the channels to update. The benefit there is this supports flexible working arrangements and ensures all of your team members stay informed. Let's take a look at a couple of the features. First off, I'm going to go here, and here I can just simply add Ezekiel. I can tag myself also. You're able to tag any user of this sub account. Also, I'm going to take a look at here. You'll notice here I can add a photo, I can add a video, I can add a document, I can even send a contact that's from this sub account. And this is where things get super powerful. So let's go to search. We actually integrated in our global search tool for TeamChat. So we're going to test this out. Let's do a search for purchase. What this does is this searches the entire sub account and it makes these links clickable to take the people in the chat directly to that part of the sub account. I'm going to show you here. So we're going to do after purchase plugins. I'll demonstrate where this goes here in just a moment. You'll notice over on the left hand side I've got 4 channels and then I have the activities log. Across the top also I can DM. So I can go DM any specific user, tag them, and then we can have a conversation. If I want to, I can broadcast to the entire sub account, and it's going to show up in everybody's chat. Now let's get to the pages. Now if I go to activities here, you'll see that there's been a whole lot of conversations. Me tagging myself, just testing this tool out. Now let's go take a look at some of these other pages that I have here across the top. You're going to notice that each of these pages here have their own chat bubble. And you'll also notice that the chat content is completely different. What that means is it keeps conversations contextual. It's going to enhance project management by linking discussions directly to actionable items, improving team collaboration and reducing miscommunication. What can we do inside of these chats? You can see inside of the activities area as well as the channels. So here I can tag any specific person. Ezekiel's going to get tired of my chats. And right there, it's going to refresh. Now, if I go take a look, let's say, for example, if we're taking a look at a contact and we want to have a conversation with another team member for context, we can do that. These chat bubbles stay persistent on the pages where the chat is initiated. It's incredibly powerful and it allows a lot of context and it should save you and your team a lot of time. Let's go take a look back at the channels and the activities. In the activities here, this is where you'll see any conversation where you've been tagged. The great thing about it is, let's say for example, take a look at it, and I can load the conversation here, or I can go to the conversation page. That's going to take me directly to the page where the chat was initiated. And now I can continue the conversation. Going back to activities, this last part of the video is what you waited for. You'll notice as I scroll through here, each of these chats are initiated from the sub account GHL Plugins. Now if I roll up here, you'll see this is from the custom values demo. What you're looking at is an integrated chat tool that works across your entire agency. That means that you can have users tagging each other inside of other sub accounts, and then it's going to load the conversation page and it's going to take them to the sub account as well as the funnel, in this specific case, where I was working. And now I can continue my conversation and collaborate with ease. We're very excited to bring this internal chat tool to the high-level agencies. We look forward to you using it, and we appreciate your support.